If you've got shag carpets at home, you know that it's a pain to keep it clean. So you need a vac with strong adjustable suction, head height adjustment and brush attachments to maintain them properly. That's why I've spent 2 weeks researching and testing the 3 best vacuum cleaners that'll make your shag carpets look brand new. So without any further ado, let's get started. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Our number 1 pick is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Rewind. It effectively cleans various surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, and upholstery, making it a versatile cleaning solution for pet owners. This vacuum is particularly effective on shag and delicate carpets, removing just the trapped pet hair, leaving the delicate carpet fiber intact. But this vac won't mop up spilt coffee, and it's not good on bare floors. Assembling the vacuum is a breeze, and its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around your home. It comes with a crevice tool with a cool LED light, perfect for those shaggy nooks and crannies. However, some users may find the cord length limiting, and the placement of the base may be inconvenient for certain spaces. To top it off, you get a 5-year limited warranty. Our runner-up is the Shag NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Talking about suction, from long human hair to hidden thin and tiny clumps of pet hair, this vac has a great suction power. It's especially one of the best vacs for shags. However, you must be a little careful when using this beast for thinner rugs. It might end up sucking up your delicate rug. The vacuum's modular design allows you to extend the hose or detach it from the base, which is convenient during cleaning tasks. Overall, it's easy to use, but it can tip over when using the extended hose. Accessory holder is a bit bulky and can bump into things. Also, the dust bin contains a lot of molded plastic and connecting pieces, so it gets difficult to empty it. You may often notice dirt and hair clumps remaining stuck inside the bin. The build is sturdy like a trusty sidekick. In fact, it can also tolerate minor bumps and jerks, but try not to test it too hard. It cleans carpets very well, and is versatile enough to handle different floor types, including bare floors and stairs. However, in certain situations it might struggle on hardwood floors. Another 5-year limited warranty Shag's got your back too. And finally comes our 3rd pick for the list, Dyson V11 Cordless Stick Vacuum. The Dyson V11 Cordless Stick Vacuum offers decent suction power, capable of effectively cleaning various floor types, including hardwood, tile, short pile carpet, medium pile carpet, and even shag carpet. While it may require some force to push on shag carpet, this is common even with corded vacuums. It picks up dirt and debris in one pass, eliminating the need for multiple passes like some corded vacuums. With its cordless design, the Dyson V11 is easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. Built with Dyson's renowned quality and durability, the V11 cordless stick vacuum is designed to withstand regular use. This vacuum efficiently cleans large areas on a single charge, making it ideal for extensive cleaning tasks. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, Dyson provides excellent customer support to address any concerns or issues that may arise. Finally, let me reveal you some cool tips to vacuum a shag rug. First off, start by shaking your shag so that the dust bounces off the rug. Remember to secure the surrounding areas with a cover and, most importantly, wear a face mask yourself. Hang it with the non-shag area facing out. Now, beat your shag with a wooden stick. Next, spread the rug upside down on the floor. Ensure the shag is against the floor. Vacuum the underside of the rug, first widthwise, then lengthwise. Roll up the rug, set it aside, and vacuum your floor and surrounding areas that have become dirty as you clean the rug. Lay the rug again, this time the shag side facing you. Use a brush or upholstery attachment to vacuum the shag. Vacuum or just broom the floor and surrounding areas once again, and done. And there you have it, 3 best vacuums for shag rugs in 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for not missing on more helpful videos. Happy cleaning!